Good afternoon, everyone. I just recently uploaded a video explaining that I was about to renovate my caravan again. So this time we need to find a home for the winter for my caravan and start concentrating on that. So today we plan to take down the shed because there is a leak in the top of the shed, but we have realised that we can actually salvage half of it. So me and my very clever partner in crime have decided to tackle this together. So what we're doing first is getting rid of all the debris on top of the shed. There's only one part of the shed that actually needs to come away and that has rotted. It's been leaking and it's really yucky. So first of all, we're going to take the door off because we plan to keep that door. And you will see here that we're going to start marking up where the shed is rotten, where the beams are that are holding up the shed. I'm not too clued up with all this stuff. I was just there to help and do my bit, but we had to make some measurements and make sure that we were cutting in the right area if we were going to save the good part of the shed, because I've still got stuff to store, like I don't know, kids summer stuff and a hot tub. So yeah, we went ahead, made a little hole in the corner so that we could start drilling. I think this is called a circular saw, and anyway, you can see how straight he's got it there. So that was a really nice, neat cut, and that is where it's all damaged and the rainwater has just ruined it. So there was no way I could keep this up over the winter. It would have ended up falling down. It has been repaired a few times and just really needed to come down. So we made a cut where it needed to come down, removed all the felt from the roof, and it was just so ruined and cracked that it literally slid off. I'm being good here and I'm bagging everything up and trying to keep everything neat and tidy so that I can do the good old tip run. And here's the roof down, the manky part of the roof, if you like. So I was just able to rip that bit down, and you can see how much we're about to take away. I'd say it's half of the shed that we'll be losing, but we will be gaining a lot of patio area. So after some more measurements and undoing some screws and stuff, we removed the side of the shed, and we cut this up, guys, and we just used it as firewood. We had an incinerator burning at the end of the garden. So basically within a day we were able to get this all done. There's my little red there. She'd come to say hello. And yeah, we just undone the other side and got it all down. So there you go. There's half the shed down, and now it's time for me to do a tip run. And by the time I'd gotten back, the whole end area of the shed had been boxed in and the door had been put on, and we just needed to do like all the fancy bits around it to make sure it doesn't leak over winter and no wind and rain gets in there. It's not me that's a perfectionist here, by the way. So yeah, I thought we did quite a good job considering we've salvaged the wood that we had. And here's the camper here. There's the incinerator going at the end of the garden. And you can see the camper has got room now to be moved forward. We're going to make a pergola to go over it, so it will have a roof over the camper and we can still access that shed. And eventually we'll make a nice area for the hot tub, so everything will be neat and tidy. So my folding caravan will be nicely stored in the garden with a cover over it, and eventually beautiful plants will grow over the pergola. So essentially we've got an extra room. So we gave the caravan a good jet wash as well whilst we were out here, and the weather's kind of typically okay at the moment. And then we will be converting this, guys, into an extra room. We're going to make a really nice little kind of cabin bar / area, and so the kids can use it and we can use it with friends. So stay tuned to see how we make an outdoor room out of a folding camper. Thanks for watching, take care, and see you all soon. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.